Family's gonna come in at any moment, but it's okay because they support me following all my dreams and talking to people on the internet. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dominique Davis, also known as Brown and Bendy. And on this channel, we practice flexibility of the mind, the body, and the spirit. If you would like to learn how to claim your 2019, keep on watching. It's November and it's almost December, and that means it's almost 2019. And you know, at this time of the year, we start seeing the memes with the chick with the bag moving on to better things. You know, she got her old bag, but she's about to get her new bag. It's just that time of year where all the commotion starts and we're on the top of our roofs yelling, "New year, new me." And I support it. I'm here for it. That's energy. That energy you have to change yourself and start anew. It's real. But what I want to talk about today is using that energy and focusing it so that you can really have the most dope 2019, the most dope year ever. How to make that happen. Before we get into this list, there are two things that you have to understand before you implement the list I'm going to give you. The first thing is you have to have an understanding of the person that you want to be. It's really hard to make decisions for yourself and choices when you don't have a vague idea of what you want for yourself in the future. So let's say that you want to start a business. Ideally, you want to start meditating on who you have to become and who you want to be, the type of business owner you want to be. You want to start to understand the parts of yourself that you want to develop, the parts of yourself that you want to explore, so that you can be what you think is an ideal business owner. I really hope that makes sense. The second thing is understanding your vibration, the vibration you're putting out, and understanding your ideal vibration. Everything has a vibration. Everything has a frequency that it vibrates at. We are all on a journey. We are all learning how to raise our vibration. But before you go into 2019, I strongly encourage you to take a morning, wake up, make a gratitude list, watch all the motivational videos you can, listen to all the motivational podcasts you can, do some affirmations. Take a whole morning to get your vibes all the way up so that you can create kind of like muscle memory with your vibrations so that you have an ideal understanding of the feeling that you're aiming for all of 2019. I'm still working on it. I can't just hop into my highest vibration. It takes time for me to get there, but because I know how it feels and because I know what I'm doing, it gets a lot easier to jump there every time. So yeah, work on the vibration that you know you want to be in. Okay, let's get to this list. I'm in such a great mood. Okay, so how to claim your 2019. The number one thing that you want to do is set intentions, not resolutions, but intentions. So setting a New Year's resolution is kind of like, I'm gonna go to the gym every day, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that. And it is a way of forcing yourself into doing something, you know, that you might feel like you need to do that day, but you might not feel like you need to do it in 2 months. And again, that's fine. We all march to the beat of our own drum. But my suggestion is to just set intentions. If your goal is to be healthier, instead of saying, I'm going to go to the gym every day, you can tell yourself, in 2019, I intend to be the healthiest version of myself. By doing that, you are getting to the root of why you want to go to the gym every day. But let's be honest, going to the gym every day doesn't really ensure that we are the healthiest that we can be. So by setting the intention to just be healthy, you're putting that in the back of your mind. So when you go out to eat, you're going to look at the menu and that intention is going to be there. You're going to think, okay, well, maybe I can look at something different. When you go grocery shopping, you might stay away from certain aisles. You know, you're going to make different choices based off of your intention, but all of these choices are going to come from different areas of your life, as opposed to just saying, I'm going to the gym every day. If you are looking for a relationship and you really would like 2019 to be the year that it pops off for you, you can say that in 2019, I intend to be open to all the love I know that I deserve. So that way, you're not necessarily just saying, okay, I'm gonna go on more dates, I'm gonna sign up for Tinder. Instead, you know that you're just open. The second thing you want to do before 2019 rolls around is visualize. Visualization is so important. If you have an idea of the person that you want to be and the things that you want to do in 2019, you gotta visualize it. I'm a really big fan of visualizing the fun, minute stuff though. Like, for example, if you want to travel, make your bed, lay down in it, relax, and maybe visualize yourself walking through where you want to travel. Visualize yourself asking somebody for directions, looking for a map. If you want a new home, you can see yourself painting the walls of your new home. If you want financial independence, you can see yourself spending time with your family more. There are so many different things that you can visualize, and visualizing again creates that momentum. It creates that energy towards your intentions and towards your vibration, and it just makes it easier to understand what you want in your life and implement it day by day. And the third one and the third one and the most important step to claiming your 2019 is letting go. You guys know the meme of the chick with the bag and she's like stepping off a boat onto another boat and she's leaving stuff behind? Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. You want to let go. You want to let go of all the crap that does not serve you. And I'm not the type of person who's like, ain't nothing to cut that. No, that's not who I am. I think I used to be, but now I definitely believe that things take baby steps and we can't jump from one vibration to another. So it doesn't really do much help to just like cut people off or cut things off and then just go about life, because it kind of puts us in a whirlwind sometimes. So if you know that there are things in your life that you want to change, you can start making decisions to move away from those things. For example, let's say that you want another job. One part of letting go for 2019 would still be going to that job, but in your free time, learning new skills and buying new books and Googling more stuff about your future and different things that you can do. So it's not all the pressure of just quitting a job and then financially sustaining yourself. Instead, you're kind of going with your flow. You're not stressing yourself out. While you're working at this job, you can still find ways to utilize your time and utilize your skills and figure out something new. Let's say that there is a friendship that doesn't quite serve you so much. In 2019, you can just make an effort to meet more people. Just because there's a friendship that isn't working out, that doesn't mean you have to do this whole like sit down ultimatum, like you did this, and this to me, and I'm done. I'm done. That's not always necessary. Sometimes you can just make new friends and have space from one friend, and in that space that other friend grows, and then again everything just flows. So yeah, let go. And then I guess the most important thing too would be to let go of situations that pop up in your head all the time and impact your emotions in a negative way. So if you have something on your mind constantly that happened this year, it's time to let it go. Don't bring it into 2019. Don't do that to yourself. The easiest way to let go of situations is just forgive everybody. Forgive yourself, forgive all the people involved, forgive everybody. Even if you don't feel like sitting down and thinking about it and like really going through who did what, why you're mad, so on and so forth, you don't have to. You can just write it off and say, I forgive myself and whatever I did. I'm trying to be better, and I forgive the person who did whatever they did to me because I do not take their actions personally. And drop it and move on. I'm not saying that's applicable in all situations, but it is for a lot. That is all I have for today, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I do hope that I am helping you claim your 2019. If you did like this video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you next video. Happy New Year in a month.